Excellent!
I'm in Canada now. I feel very Canadian already. I took Air Canada. I had some Canada Dry to drink on the plane. I'm here for LTX though, so I need to make my way over to the convention center where it's happening. I should probably double check what that convention center is called, because I've heard that there's no Uber or Lyft here. That's kind of weird. There's an interesting dance that's going on right now. It's weird how they do customs and immigration in Canada. You know, every country does it a little different. I know I'm in Canada right now, but I kind of have my doubts. For one, I went to the bathroom and it said American Standard. Second, that security line for going through immigration reminded me a lot of Disneyland. I've just been dropped off at what I'm told is the convention center, so let's try to go in and see what the heck's going on. Oh, look at this place, it's fancy. I'm impressed. Spared no expense for LTX. Oh, look, here's where I get my badge and stuff, I would assume. Alright, I've just got to the convention center. We already have people coming up and saying hello. They know my name, and I don't know theirs, and it's not even awkward. This is the BYOC area where people have brought their own computers. Somebody brought a 1000D here?
Yep.
Sweet mother of God, that is not a portable case in the least. I've heard there's celebrities. Oh, it's Luke.
I have things for you.
You what? I wasn't expecting you to have things for me.
Get the last.
I was just gonna do a flyby.
There's not very many. Oh. These are not for you. These are to give away.
Oh.
These will give people a float plane shirt.
So I can get all the float plane shirts for myself.
You can. Well, you don't even have to hand those in. You can just take a whole box or something. I don't know.
Oh.
I'll ship you like a pallet.
Okay.
You can throw away all your shirts and wear only float plane shirts.
Who wants a float plane shirt? For sale now. Just kidding. Just kidding. I've quit selling stuff. Hey guys, this is Harmon. He just came up and said hi. Hey, wait, what's your name? Kevin. Kevin. Harmon brought this for me to sign. It is ECC DDR2 memory from a server that you decommissioned. So you're in IT?
Yeah.
That's really cool. Foxconn, I have no idea like the provenance of this or anything like that, or where it came from, but I like signing unique pieces of PC hardware, and this is definitely that. There you go.
Hello.
All right, guys, this is Carl, and Carl has a backplate for a 1080.
Founders Edition.
Founders Edition with many signatures already. So if any of you want to forge checks from Dennis or any of the Linus Media Group, that's Luke right there. Luke has a very strong signature. Can we just appreciate that for a moment? Look at the angles on it.
Man. And the smiley face, of course.
And the smiley face. It's happy. Man, Luke's signature, I feel like, is really setting the standard here. Now mine is going to look like crap, but I'm going to submit that. This is Austin, and he brought another unique thing to be signed, which is just a slab of metal. So that's like a dense piece of metal, and he's going to use it as a base plate for a keyboard. So he's going to custom build a keyboard on top of this, and then he's going to go over and engrave all the names of the Dremel. That's a really cool idea. This is James. Hi, James.
Hello.
This is a wafer. These are hard to get a hold of depending on who you are and what you do. So I'm going to get to sign this one too. Beautiful.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Guys, this is Maxwell, and he brought me a floppy drive to sign. It's a floppy. Not a floppy drive, a floppy disk.
Yeah.
All right. Guys, this is Alex, and continuing the trend of like interesting things I've been asked to sign. This is not a mouse pad. What is it?
See, this is the brand new Razer chopping board, and I could just make food on the spot. And then when the game's getting intense, I put back on, like, you know, the mouse pad, and no one can tell the difference.
Did you make this, or is this an actual Razer product?
This is an actual Razer product. It's called the Invicta.
It's not. There we go.
Thank you
That's really
so
cool.
much, man.
Thank you, Alex.
Thank you.
And links in the description. I'm just kidding. I have no idea where you buy this. Ooh, look, merch. We've heard they're going to give us some merch. You got the underwear?
I got undies.
What?
LTT undies branded.
You get 3 in there.
Yeah.
Look at all the colors.
Official shill certification. 3 undie rating.
You guys try them out and then let me know how they fit. Okay. Look at Vancouver. Wow, this place is pretty. We have completed day 1 when it comes to the convention itself, and now we're getting food.
Oh my god, food sounds amazing.
Food. Jay, what are you eating?
Poutine.
Poutine?
And a steak sandwich.
Oh, we are in
super
Canada.
healthy.
That's very appropriate. I got a Reuben and a Caesar. Kyle got fish and chips. I was about to get that. Austin?
Nothing with salad. Don't mind this giant pie or anything.
Just
Or this
salad.
poutine, also not. No. I'm eating salad.
Pie is a pot, right? Actually, that sounds wrong.
It is a pot pie. It is a pot pie.
Austin.
Austin is also cosplaying as Linus.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Look at his sandals. Look at his socks with sandals.
I come to LTX prepared.
Oh my god! It's time for day 2. Just had breakfast with Eber and Dimitri. Did you guys want a hotel room tour? This is my hotel room. Okay, let's move on. In the BYOC area.
Across the GPU.
Doing some more signing here. Look at this little build here. That's a pretty sweet little system.
Is this a pump?
We signed the block there. Lots of competition here in the BYOPC area, of course, for who has the best PC or the smallest PC or the largest PC or just a full server. I just met Michael, who came all the way from Florida, packed his server in this Pelican case down here, and then brought it as a checked bag. That's insane. He's got 128 gigs of memory in here, a Threadripper 2950X, an RTX, is this a 2080? That's beautiful. So he told me not to show it because he didn't have the cable management all pretty, but honestly, you came all the way from Florida, so I'm just impressed that there's a full server here.
RGB server.
RGB server. Just gonna do a quick selfie here. Gentlemen, I've been presented with this RAM necklace here. There's memory, and then at the center there is a processor.
Old Pentium.
It's an old Pentium processor, which is, I even got some blue PCB RAM in there too. I like it. I'm gonna wear this from now on. Oh, look at this area. I've almost not even come over here, but they have a bunch of booths and stuff so people can do activities. Like this is some VR activity going on over here, I would assume. See how good I am at deducing what things are and what they do? So the people over there have VR and are driving, and then they're actually controlling the cars over here, and it's riveting. It's riveting entertainment. As you can see, people are lined up everywhere to watch. You might also notice this is a replica of Linus's Lamborghini, which is very well known around the Vancouver area. At least it's moving. When I first got here, it seemed a little sluggish. I guess that's how Linus drives. Here we are at the Nizixt booth, and we have this right here. Look, it's Poochie. Poochie has a name tag, in case you're wondering how that's spelled, Poochie. And I just think that's very cute, or maybe vaguely suggestive, but let me know in the comments, guys, if we should give Hana one of these, and what we should name it. Or are they all called Poochie? They're all called Poochie. I think that's very cute. Poochie is sitting on top of this special Linus Tech Tips Lamborghini edition of the NZXT H700 with many, many signatures on top and then special signatures inside. Signatures are a theme of LTX, and as you can see, many of us tech YouTubers have signed in here. That's Kyle right there on the left. I signed right there. That's Steve. I don't know whose those are. They're not. Oh, that's Austin and Greg. Taryn has such a bubbly personality. Bubbles! Here we have the CPU delidding station. Oh my gosh. People just callously taking the heat spreaders off of CPUs. Very dangerous. Probably lots of dead CPUs going on today. Oh, sorry. Did you know I was about to point my camera at you? That's cool. Look at that. There's the end result. Well done. This is the case toss. Was that not obvious? That sounded like something broke. This is Disappearing Ink, where they have very old and retro computers.
That my brother's wearing right now?
What?
He's playing Descent 2 with like a pseudo VR thing.
Whoa. 3Ds,
95.
stereoscopic goggles.
It's a virtual boy that doesn't make you puke so much, and it's color.
Wow. Playing Descent.
PC Master Race, even back in the 90s.
Yeah, 1996 VR PC, and it's a little flickery as I'm recording it, but that's because it's VR. Over here we have a DX4, 100 megahertz. This is a 486 based system. Playing OG Doom. OG Doom, so convenient to only have to aim on one axis, and you know, it just automatically does the up and down for you. I really appreciate that. Game should go back to this. I used to play so much Doom back in the day. It was so much fun. Would you guys believe me if I told you that the Commodore 64 was one of my first, what you would call, computers? My dad had one. I'm not sure if it was this exact model or not. There's a few different variants of it, but I very much remember we had a tape deck that was connected to it, like a cassette tapes, and I would load the cassette tape into the deck in order to play Jumpman Jr., and that was very exciting. This is a fast load cartridge. I don't actually know what game this is. Beige boxes, 5 1/4 inch floppy drives, and look, this machine's running Prince of Persia. This is the real Oregon Trail. I'm afraid I would play, but I do not want to die of dysentery. This is the motherboard house of cards, where we're finding good uses for old motherboards that people might not otherwise use. As we can see, we have various people are attacking this from various angles when it comes to the architecture. How do you know who wins?
Whoever gets the highest.
Oh God! I'm sorry. Hey, on the plus side, that is absolutely going in my video. What is your name, sir?
Tully Page.
Thank you, Tully.
Absolutely.
I appreciate that you have now failed in order for all of us to enjoy that wonderful failure that happened.
Absolutely.
Well done, sir. So out here, obviously, the main show floor where they have various activities going on, but what's back through this door? That's right, guys. This is the seedy underbelly of LTX, the part that Linus does not want you to see. As you can see, he's distracted up there talking, doing a panel, whereas I can show you guys all of the gritty details about what makes LTX function. For example, look at that. I don't even know what's going on there, but it looks pretty crazy. So this is where the director goes like, ready to, camera 2. Switch between the cameras. I assume there's some kind of live stream going on at the same time. We have chat going on right there. But now you guys know, this is the engine that runs LTX. I'm doing a panel right now. We got Greg from Science Studio, we got Pedro, PC Master Race, Alex from Budget Builds, and then of course Luke. I'm really excited about this. I'm going to take you guys through the experience. It'll be like you're giving a panel. So we come around here. How did I end up being first here? Oh, look at this. Look at all these people out here. Hi, guys. Okay. Hey, everyone. Look at all these people. Oh, these wonderful people. This is the stage. I'm going to do the panel now. I'll get back to you guys. We just finished. You almost fell. We just finished our panel.
Yes.
Luke is here with me.
Yes.
I'm going to end this video right now, you guys. Thank you for watching my coverage of LTX 2019. I want to come back here next year.
Absolutely.
It's so much fun.
Bigger, better, faster.
Thanks to Luke and the entire LTX crew for inviting me out. Thanks to all you guys for being here.
Yeah.
Love you guys. Hit the thumbs up button and we'll see you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.